Cato Crest residents have urged the eThekwini Municipality to make good on promises about flood intervention. Municipal officials descended on the area today after residents complained about their absence in the aftermath of this week's flooding. Newzroom Afrika's Karinda Jagmohan has a story.
While major interventions promised by the eThekwini Municipality to residents in Cato Crest, we were actually here yesterday where more than 300 people have been impacted. And yesterday, residents who were rebuilding their informal structures here said they were concerned that there was no presence of eThekwini municipal officials or any government leaders for that matter, despite them seeing government leaders converge on Inanda just in the wake of the tornado and storm that hit that area. At the same time, the torrential rain was falling here, causing floods which destroyed the infrastructure that you see around me. So yesterday, when residents were rebuilding, there were concerns made by the local councillor that this is being done on the same flood plain and that if another flood were to occur, residents would be affected once again. But today, this morning, eThekwini officials arrived here. Residents did expect the mayor to come here, but he was unavailable. Ultimately, a member of the executive committee for the municipality was here, and she promised residents that they would be moved to another site nearby where they can rebuild their homes, but she warned them against rebuilding here because this is ultimately a floodplain. Take a listen to Councillor Zama Sokabase.
We are going to help them to get the place where they can put their life back. But we cannot, as municipality, just jump and give them the material as usually we did. Because the floods that happens here, it tells us that it can happen again. We need to get the land where we can move them.
Well, as these promises are made, there are now NPOs, so relief organizations that are offering blankets, clothing, food. They're offering breakfast and lunch to those who have lost everything that they've owned, the little that they've had really. And meanwhile, the municipality says they will open their soup kitchens by tomorrow to provide dinner for the residents. And of course, people are actually relieved that they have some form of assistance going forward, but they want to ensure that these promises made are ultimately fulfilled. Take a listen to Nosipho Mbata.
Ngabe kunesphepho kukhona amanzi nje amaningi sihleze singene emanzini, so ukufika kwabo ngibona engathi khona okuzosiza kuzosikhipha nakule ndawo esihleli kuyona, ngoba sekunzima kakhulu ngoba besingayitshela ukuthi ngagcina sekwenzeka kanje. So manje siyabona ukuthi seyingozi kakhulu le ndawo. Kungasijabulisa ukuthi basuse phezu kwaleli bridge leli, ngoba mina nje isikakhulukazi angisakuthanda ukuhlala kule ndawo. Ngiyafisa ngaphezulu, angisenabazali, uma ushiyile ngihleli nezingane, so kunakho ukuthi ngisabe nokuthi ngisizwe ukuthi izingane bezingekho. Ngokucabanga kwami njengoba nje izingane ukube bekade zikhona, mhlawumbe nami ngabe ngiyakhala, mhlawumbe izingane mhlawumbe nazo ngabe ikhona ingane ehambile, so ngibe nenhlanhla. So ngiyafisa ukuthi into abayishilo abayithembisile ngabo ukuthi bazoyenza. Isona sifiso sethu, kuyasijabulisa ukuthi bagcine befikile, sinalo ithemba.
Well, there you go, a wish for the promises that are made to be fulfilled today by the eThekwini Municipality. Of course, we'll keep you updated as the continuous flood relief and rebuilding efforts continue. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Cato Crest.